Dau Cottrell am bris un fan hyn. David a Jordan dros y bil. David Cottrell yn ei chwarae! Wedi glanio, mae yn y gol. Mae'r Llamanwr wedi rhoi hon. David Cottrell wedi cael ei gol gyntaf Barri. Mewn i'r canol, heibio pawb a mae'n gol! Fawcett wedi taro, mae Hwlffordd wedi taro, maen nhw'n gyfartal. Fawcett yn y fan ar lle. Sioc i'r Barri. Hwlffordd eto. Yn bygwth, Shepherd. A'r bas, chi'n gwybod be, mae syth drwodd, mae gyflem ail, Mike Lewis. Allan y gyflem. Maen nhw'n galw am gic o'r smotyn fan hyn. Hwlffordd ddim yn hapus. Hanner tîm y ffordd i Hwlffordd yn bloeddio am gic o'r smotyn. Wharton, pas gan Cottrell. Pres ar ochr y Cwrt Cosby. Ond Cottrell, croesiad hyfryd. Edrych am Jarvis. Jordan Cottrell. A Chris Hugh, mae hwnna'n hyfryd. A Jarvis! A mae'n gol! Y Barri yn ôl ar y blaen. A mae Nat Jarvis wedi sgorio ei gol gynta ers arwyddo i'r Barri yn yr haf.
I thought tactically we were set out right. You know, I think we caused them a lot of problems. And again, like I said, to come to a place like Barri, to come away with nothing is really disappointing. But it's the manner we conceded that's obviously frustrating me at the moment.
You know, I've got to give credit to Haverford. I thought they've come and made a really good spectacle of it, and it's not easy for a team coming into the league to, you know, to compete like that. And I thought they were fantastic today.
What a goal to start your Barry Town campaign off with a goal. That was some strike.
Yeah, we were, you know, mixed feelings really, whether to maybe put a ball in the box for a cross. But then, you know, I've been doing that right throughout my career really well, trying to unset the keeper, and with the weather conditions as well tonight, I thought, you know, try and get a little bit of movement on the ball. Unfortunate for me and the team that it went in.